But, yep. Controls. As soon as you feel it going either direction, yank it out.
Right.
Green, green. Airspeed is coming alive. Looking for 65.
There's 65.
More usable runway.
Flaps come up, or not flaps, gear comes up.
Don't make that mistake in somebody else's Tecnam. Or the opposite of that is when it gets you. That was a painful day. Looking for 400 feet.
Alright, so coming up on 400 feet. Flaps are coming up.
Up. Throttles come back. Just looking for a reduction. Doesn't matter too much. And then props come back. So props
and then props come back.
You're going to lose your engine.
Alright. Alright, so
Direct control.
left foot's dead. That means my left engine's dead.
Okay. Everything goes full forward. Props first. Props first.
Props first.
Throttles.
Throttle.
I'm going to look for that traffic. Just keep going.
Hey.
Looking for 84 because you're going 70. That's your stall horn on.
That's what that beeping is.
Okay. Then just drop your nose a little bit more. That'll get rid of that stall horn. Alright, gear and flaps are up. Maintain direct control still.
Maintaining directional control.
All half out, so get a little more rudder in there. And then bring your pitch up to about there. That's where you're looking for right there.
Alright, right about here.
Okay, and then...
Alright, we're just barely...
Which engine is dead? And then
left
drop me to
engine's
84.
dead.
Drop me to 84 though, just be right there. Okay, so left one's dead. Verify it.
Verify, so left throttle comes back, no change.
Nothing happened, okay. And now secure it.
So then we would reduce
bring it back.
that.
Okay, it comes back, and I have control of it.
Alright.
And now it's feathered the prop.
That's feathered the prop.
Hand on your good throttle at all times when you're sitting there, because if we start to lose direct control, because we're getting to 70 there, it's going to start to roll over, we need to snap that.
Alright. So we've secured the engine, we would come back and probably land.
Yeah, but I mean at this point, just take me straight out. Where you have a climb me up, then make the turn. Don't feel like you got to turn anytime early.
Alright.
We could also land, someplace out straight ahead if we had to, Eatonville. But at this point, I can turn off my left engine's fuel pump if I wanted to.
Okay.
But I'm just going to leave it on because it's still running.
Okay.
That's ignitions. I would not secure them down low.
Alright.
You're just going to put yourself into having a possible 2 engines out.
Right.
Because go ahead and shut off the left ignition. So on my side, your hand will come up to this one. So it's very easy on the wrong side. So it's as soon as you go up there, you kind of, oh, I'm on the wrong one.
Right.
And your hand is naturally going to go left. If I had the right engine out, do the left instead.
Okay. Can I trim this thing?
All you want, yeah. Hold that 84, and that'll give you your best climb rate. Anything higher or lower is going to be off.
Right.
Go through that on the drag demo. It'll show you how different that is. And you can go ahead and clean it up.
Alright, so go forward.
Bring this one back. Scissor it looking out in front of you. Drop your nose just a little bit. And then keep it looking way out there. And then just bring them down and then bring them both back up. To about there is fine. And then you can bring back your throttles. Keeping me going straight ahead the whole time though.
Yeah, we did go to the right there a little bit, didn't we?
Yep, and direction control is big for controlling, for this kind of stuff. And then you're a little out of sync. Bring the left one a finger back extra, usually. That's pretty close. Cool. And then climb me up and set me up for steep turns.
Alright, so climbing up to 4,000 feet.